In Islam, Jesus is considered one of the greatest prophets of God, alongside Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Muhammad. He is believed to have been born to the Virgin Mary and to have performed many miracles during his lifetime, including healing the sick and restoring sight to the blind. The Islamic faith holds Jesus in high regard and respects his teachings, which were about the love and worship of God. The Islamic account of Jesus' death, a different perspective. The Islamic account of Jesus' death is different from that of the Christian account. According to Islam, Jesus did not die on the cross, but God raised him up to heaven and another person was made to look like Jesus and was crucified in his place. This belief is based on the Quranic verse 4:15-7-158, which states, "And they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it appeared so to them, and those who differ therein are full of doubts. They have no certain knowledge, they follow nothing but conjecture, for surely they did not kill him." The sayings of Prophet Muhammad also support this belief, stating that Jesus was raised up to heaven by God and will return to earth before the end of times. The importance of this belief, power and mercy of God. This belief holds great significance for Muslims as it reaffirms the belief in the power and mercy of God. It serves as a reminder that God has the ability to save Jesus from the fate of crucifixion, a powerful demonstration of the divine power. Additionally, this belief emphasizes the teachings of Jesus, which were about the love and worship of God rather than his death. And the belief that Jesus was not killed serves as a reminder that the ultimate goal of all prophets is to guide humanity towards salvation and eternal life with God. Furthermore, the belief that Jesus was not crucified and did not die but was raised to heaven by God also serves as a reminder of the importance of the divinity and lordship of God. This belief also reaffirms the belief in the power of God over life and death, a reminder of the message of Jesus, peace and submission. Islam also teaches that all prophets, including Jesus, were sent to guide humanity towards the worship of one God and to bring a message of peace and submission to God. The belief that Jesus did not die on the cross, but was instead raised up to heaven, serves as a reminder that the ultimate goal of all prophets is to guide us towards salvation and eternal life with God. It also emphasizes the message of Jesus' teachings, which were about love, peace, and surrendering to the will of God. Additionally, the belief that Jesus was not killed but raised to heaven supports the idea of Jesus' physical ascension and the continuity of his spiritual message. This belief highlights the importance of the spiritual aspect of Jesus' message and the afterlife. In conclusion, the death of Jesus in Islam is an important topic that deserves attention and understanding. The Islamic perspective on the death of Jesus is different from the Christian account, but it serves as a reminder of the power and mercy of God and the ultimate goal of all prophets to guide humanity towards salvation. The belief that Jesus did not die on the cross highlights the significance of his teaching and the spiritual aspect of his message, and the reminder that it's not about the death of the prophet but about the continuation of their teachings and message in the world. We hope that this video has helped to provide a deeper understanding of this topic and the significance of this belief for Muslims. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.